Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota Yaris door step by step. Start by checking the fob for a hidden mechanical key and remove it carefully. Then inspect the driver's door cylinder and try the key gently to avoid damage. If the lock is frozen, use a de-icer spray or warm the key with your hands before inserting. Keep calm and work methodically through each step for safe results. Begin by testing the key fob. Press lock and unlock while standing near the car to confirm range. If the fob is unresponsive, open it to check and replace the battery with the correct type, then retest. Use a spare key or spare fob to determine if the problem is the remote or the vehicle lock. If reprogramming is needed, refer to your manual or contact a qualified locksmith for guided help. If you cannot access the car with the key or fob, consider safe emergency options like calling roadside assistance or a locksmith rather than risking damage. Experienced professionals can open doors without harming seals, electronics, or paint. If attempting a DIY unlock, use the right tools and techniques and avoid brute force. Always prioritize safety and minimize damage so repairs remain simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.